In front of me is VIVO V60 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can enable Suggestion Strip at the top of your keyboard. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away to access this section called System Management. When you're ready, click on it. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, Manage On-Screen Keyboards, and finally Gboard. Now you can tap on Text Correction and click on this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I do that and go back, I can see that mine was successfully enabled. Additionally, quick tip, all of those options we just got to can be accessed by tapping on this gear icon at the top of your keyboard if Suggestion Strip is on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!